I hate to hate. Oh. Oh, let's see here. I mean, I hate red lights. Alright. Got through my little twisty road there for a second. Go hit the brake, hit the lake. Up and down, round and round. Oh, that's a nice place. Hey, we'll head on over by the lake now. See what's popping on it. Pretty sad. I think everybody trying to get their last minute water play in. I mean, they act like this whole winter thing gonna come quick. I still think we got an abundance of warm days left still to come. Yeah, this joker feel a whole lot tighter. Whole lot tighter. Like you don't play. Ooh. But as far as sport bike go, I don't think you could do any better than 6750, man. I mean, you got bikes that got like way more horsepower or whatever. But I mean, unless you planning on, you know, racing, you know, track all the time or something, or drag racing, you know, you just want to have the biggest, fastest bike, then yeah, it's other bikes, you know, make this bike seem slow. But in my opinion, man, this is pretty much all you would ever need in a motorcycle. Now, I do have times where I feel like I just want to get a little bit more. And then I get somewhere when I can really open the bike up and I'm like, yeah, okay, that's good enough for me, you know, it's got everything you need. Like, how far you want to go? How far you want to take it, bro? At the police? I couldn't really tell. Nah, it ain't. But yeah, I think this would be it for me. I ride this bike forever, as long as I keep it running anyway. Like I say, the engine real strong, so. But I think, shift wrong way. I think something I did was to happen to this engine. I did see some online, you know, some pretty decent prices for some fairly low mile 750 engines and 600 engines and 1,000 engines, because this particular year, they were all on the same platform, 1,000, 750, and 600. all built on the same platform. I think you have to do something slightly different as far as the mounting bolts on the 1000, if I'm correct. I might be wrong, but you can put it in here. Just might have to do a little fabricating here and there. Go a different way. Share with me, round and round, ups and down. Conquer new roads, bros. And what we going to 85. Yeah, boy. I was a lot quicker coming that way. See what's going on at the lakes. Lifestyle of the richest man, some die out there of diamonds. Yeah, I ain't have a whole lot to talk about this time. I'm just cruising. Just cruising. That used to be a popular song back in the day. What is going on with me and my shifting today? I'm just all over the place. Huh. Not very crowded. It's cool. Maybe I can sit on my bench today.